Energy Savers Network is a nonprofit organization located in Buncombe County that connects volunteers to income-qualifying homeowners to provide hands-on energy efficiency and weatherization upgrades to households at no cost to the homeowners.
The overall goals of Energy Savers Network is to reduce energy usage in Buncombe County as a whole and for income-qualified households in order for them to save money on their utility bills and make their homes more comfortable.
So once we determine that somebody is eligible for a program, what happens next is we go out to their homes and then we do a initial audit. Now, every home varies and every home needs different things.
So LED light bulbs, water fixtures, faucet aerators, shower heads, weather stripping the doors, lots of air can be getting in and out of your door, wasting hot and cold air, and then checking the ductwork from the inside.
Another feature that we offer to our clients, there is storm window inserts. There's a lot of houses in Buncombe County, in particular mobile homes, that have single pane windows, and it's extremely expensive to replace single pane windows. So those windows definitely serve well and they make a big difference.
What's interesting is that you can find a lot of air leaks or other little problems all the way around the house that people don't even think about, like for example, outlet sockets and underneath their plumbing pipes in the kitchen or the bathroom. Some of the technologies that we use when we go to a house is one of my favorite ones, which is a blower door. It depressurizes the house or sucks all the air out of the house, so we can actually measure how much air leakage is in the home.
What it does is it is a diagnostic tool that helps us know where the air is coming in the home. So we can see all the air leakage coming in from behind on the bottom of this wall right here. Another thing that is really interesting that you're able to see with the IR camera is that you can see where it's missing insulation. There is insulation, but there's a patch right there where there's missing insulation.
I'm just basically making sure that we seal up air leaks inside of these air ducts, and it just makes sure that the air is going exactly where it needs to go. Keeps things really streamlined and efficient. That's what we really want in a home.
As a result of our work, some homeowners actually reported that their homes feel a lot more warm and comfortable. Some of them actually reported lower energy bills, and some other actually reported that their house feels almost soundproofed.
On average, we serve about 4 households a week. Our goal is to serve around 200 homes this year, but obviously we want to serve as many people as possible in Buncombe County.
Since 2017 and to this day, we have served over 500 homes, and in the past we had a great support of volunteers, and that's how our work was possible. It's just simply impossible to serve 200 plus homes with just the 3 of us, and to provide the quality of service that we really want to provide.
So households qualify with Energy Savers Network when they are within 200% of the poverty guidelines. So for example, a 1-person household would have to have an annual income of around $25,000 or less. A 4-person household, the annual income would be around $52,000 or less. People can get in touch with Energy Savers Network by going to energysaversnetwork.org. They can contact me directly at 828-585-4492. They can also reach out through social media. So we have Facebook and Instagram. It's just Energy Savers Network. So if they can give their details and information, we'll reach out to them via phone most likely.